Hello students, today we will be doing a new chapter in economics, the second chapter, sectors of the Indian economy. Though I am providing you one video and that is study material to prepare this topic, I'll just give you some guideline how you are going to prepare this topic. We know that people are engaged in different types of economic activities. That is, what are economic activities? Activities for which a person is being paid. So people are engaged in different type of occupations, and that can be classified under three heading: primary, secondary and tertiary. The other name of primary activities, the agricultural activities; secondary, or we can call it manufacturing sector; and third is the tertiary sector or the service sector. So you will read in detail about them, and then interlinking of these three sectors of the economy, how the primary sectors provide raw material to the secondary sector, and secondary sector is also providing better tools, implements to the primary sector, and that helps in its development and growth. At the same time, the tertiary sector is supporting both the sectors. Then you will study, so this is one classification based on the economic activities: primary, secondary and tertiary. The second topic you will study about comparing the three sectors of the economy. So when we compare the three sectors of the economy, we will compare in terms of total production and employment. So again we will take the three sectors. You will find one very peculiar characteristics of the agricultural sector, that it shows that large number of people are engaged in the agricultural sector, but production is more of the tertiary sector. It is very clear that in the primary sector, that is agricultural sector, it shows that more number of people are engaged in the agricultural sector, but actually they are not contributing anything to the total production. So that reminds us of disguised unemployment which is prevailing in the agricultural sector. So when we compare the three sectors of the economy, you will find the tertiary sector is the leading sector, and that you are going to study about the growing importance of the tertiary sector. So one question is expected from there also. Now the various bar diagrams are there, and that is why I have provided you the video, and your textbook you will open when you preparing this topic. And then you will find that most people, how they are more employed in the agricultural sector, but their contribution is not much. So it is called as underemployment. It means people are working, but they are not working according to their potential. So this is known as underemployment. It is also called as disguised unemployment. Next, you will learn about that how to create more employment, because large number of people are not actually employed. These surplus manpower in the agricultural sector, they can be provided with some job. So how to create more employment, that you will find in the urban areas and in the rural areas, and various programs of the government under which you will study about NREGA, that is National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, which is very important one. Then you will also read about how the according to the working condition, work can be classified. So the sectors of the economy again can be classified according to the condition of work, that is known as organized and unorganized sectors. So you can get that is characteristic features, or you have to distinguish between organized and unorganized sector. Then you will again see that large number of people are working in the unorganized sector, which are not registered, where job is not very secure, where people are exploited. Under that circumstances, we can engage these people in various work. So again you will find another topic topic where how we can provide them more work and job. And the last heading is again, that is, we are going to divide the sectors according to the ownership, that is private sector and public sector. Children, please revise this chapter accordingly. I have given you some guideline, and please read your textbook. If you don't follow anything, let me know. I will clarify those concepts, and after that, in my next class, I'll be giving some important questions. Here I have given assignment but very less. In my next class, I'll be covering up more. So if any concept and topic is not clear, please let me know so that I can clarify in my next class. Thank you.